everyone. Welcome to another Juvenile Fiction unboxing. I am Miss Liz.
I'm Miss Ashley.
And let's see what new goodies we have for you to check out. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is called, it's book one. Ooh, good. So it's a new one. Bad Nana, Older, Not Wiser. Hello, my name is Jeannie and I'm 7 3/4. One of my grandmas is called Bad Nana. I'm not completely sure why, but it might be because things sort of happen when she's around. Things that often end up in big trouble. My dad says she should know better, but I'm really glad she doesn't.
That's cute.
And it's a transitional reader, so there's pictures and fun fonts and different things. So,
Very
oh my
cute.
gosh, this looks like it's going to be hilarious.
Finally, we have something to
deal with grandma.
Bad grandpa. Now we got Bad Nana. All right. I picked up a Rick Riordan Presents.
Ooh, it's another Arusha book.
Yes. And the City of Gold. Nice. So you see, you got these giant genies with all these heads coming at the kids. That is really awesome. And it's a Pandava novel. Is that the series, Pandava? That's what it says.
I'm not sure. I know there's like, this is like book 5 of the series.
Okay.
So it's been going.
Oh, wow. Well, this is awesome. So it's in if you've read the series. I have yet to start it, but I will because I love Rick Riordan and everything he presents.
3. There's Big Ideas That Change the World, A Shot in the Arm. A history of vaccines, including COVID-19 research. So why we get shots and how they developed, this is told in comic book form.
Cool.
This is We Are Still Here, Native American Truths Everyone Should Know. So this is a nonfiction picture book. And there's No Ham and Hamburgers, Facts and Folklore About Our Favorite Foods.
Oh, awesome.
Great.
All right, I got The Great Peach Experiment. When life gives you lemons, make a peach pie.
What?
That's cute. It's a juvenile fiction. So, a sweet summer take a rotten turn. After a tough year, Lucy, Freddie, and Herb Peach are ready for a vacation. Lucy wants to read all the books on the summer reading list. You go, girl. Freddie wants to work on his art projects when he isn't stuck in summer school. Ooh. Herb wants to swim every day. Then their dad makes a big announcement. One of the inventions their mom came up with before she passed away was sold, and now they're millionaires! But Dad has bigger plans than blowing the cash on fun stuff or saving it. He's bought a used food truck, of all things. The Peaches are going to spend the summer traveling the country selling pies. It will be the greatest peach experiment. A summer of bonding while living out on Mom's dreams. Aw, that's sweet. There's one issue Dad's neglected, though. None of them knows how to bake.
Oh, no.
That sounds awesome.
Sure, just follow the recipe. Everything will turn out fine.
The Great Peach Experiment by Aaron Soderbergh Downing. That's cute.
That does sound cute.
It sounds really cute. And then there's Summertime Sleepers. This is a nonfiction about animals that hibernate or estivate during the summer. Isn't that cute? I had no idea. I just learned something new.
Because when animals hibernate, they sleep during what season? The winter. So these are all animals that sleep during the summer, which we wish we could sleep during the summer because it's so hot.
It's so hot, yes. So that's estivate. So if you want to learn about the animals that estivate, there you go. And I just learned something new. All right. And Bird Show. And this one's really cute. It's a nonfiction picture book for younger ones. It's so cute. I boast an outfit of every hue.
Oh, that's a mandarin duck.
Isn't that cute?
Cardinal.
Blue, is it blue jay?
No, that's not a blue jay or a bluebird.
So at the very end, I believe they tell you what the animals are. Oh, wow. So they're beautiful pictures.
So
Kids will
some of
enjoy
the more exotic birds. Oh, that's a quetzal. I love this
pretty.
one.
So there's all different ones. And
That's
then when
a
you get
male
to the very
quetzal
end.
because only the males have the long 2-feathered tail. They grow it during mating season.
Wow, you know a lot about birds.
Watch our
and it does tell you. It does
this
tell
summer.
you which bird it is. So you can play memory games. That's fun. Oh, and patterns. How fun is that?
And it'd be perfect for story time too. So this is great for us. Like, oh, hey.
If you want to read to your little one and play with fun voices, this is a good one to do too.
All right. I Am the Tree of Life, my Jewish yoga book.
Oh, fun.
Oh, wow, okay. I mean, that's very particular. Oh, this is cool. So, for example, the Warrior One pose. I am clever Yale who fought for my people. The prophetess Deborah had a vision that her people would be saved by a woman. Her prophecy came true when Yale used her wits and strength to defeat their enemy.
Oh, wow.
So this is pulling...
What's the pose?
So that was Warrior One.
Yeah.
And then Niños, Poems for the Lost Children of Chile. Ooh. And Just Be You. Ask questions, set intentions, be your special self, and more.
Oh my gosh. Chase the Moon, Tiny Turtle, a hatchling's daring race to the sea. We just did a turtle story time in Stories in the Park, and this would have been a really cute one. But I'll just give you a little demonstration. Look at little egg. Look at the little turtle sleeping inside his egg. And the illustrations are beautiful.
Oh, there's a little owl.
Look at that. Look at the little sea turtle. So
Tap,
cute.
tap, push, creak, crack the shell, sneak a peek.
So cute.
Oh, we're going to have to read that one later.
That's adorable. Put that one in the front.
Too Small Tola. We must not forget Holocaust stories of survival and resistance.
Yes, it's so important right now because, you know, that generation, they're disappearing. So we got to get their stories down.
And another book by Catherine Applegate, Doggo and Pupper. So it looks like a transitional reader about two dogs who are friends, and then there's a cat and other animal friends that pop up. So
oh, they're cute.
very, very cute.
All right, I have Hear the Wind Blow. I think, listen, can you hear the wind? I think it's poetry. Nope, it's just a book about the wind, and it's great. And then I have Puberty is Gross, but also really awesome.
There's River Magic, Thornwood, and it's a Sisters Ever After. And it looks like the tale of Rumpelstiltskin because there's a spinning wheel and straw.
Oh, yes, or is that hair?
Oh.
It looked like hair.
This is a heart-wrenching survival tale. It's called Treasure of the World by Tara Sullivan, author of the critically acclaimed The Bitter Side of Sweet.
This one looks like a World War II story. War and Millie McGonagall. McGonagall, sorry. War with Millie McGonagall by Karen Cushman. That night, I dreamed of hundreds of enemy airplanes roaring by, but it turned out to be Pop snoring. Good gravy.
Someone snoring that loud to be like, oh my gosh, it's an enemy plane. Oh, it's just Grandpa.
My dad shakes the window sometimes. He snores so loud. So, oh, yep, Hitler is attacking Europe. The United States may be going to war. Food is rationed and money is tight. And Millie's sickly little sister gets all the attention and couldn't be more of a pain if she tried. Well, yeah, kids will be kids, even in World War II. It's all Millie can do to stay calm and feel in control. Still, there's sand beneath her feet, a new neighbor from the city who has a lot to teach Millie, and a surfer boy, Rocky, to admire, even if she doesn't have the guts to talk to him. It's a time of sunshine, siblings, and stress. Will Millie be able to find her way in the family and keep her balance as the world around her loses its own?
Dun, dun, dun.
I like that, a World War II story for kids.
And, the author of the Spy School series, Stuart Gibbs, he wrote Charlie Thorne and the Lost City. So Charlie Thorne is a genius, Charlie Thorne is a fugitive, Charlie Thorne isn't even 13. So it sounds like more spies and espionage and mystery.
He's not 13?
So which means he is what? 12 years old. Dun, dun, dun.
He's not of age. Get him! No. All right. So I found The Stolen Prince of Cloudburst by Jacqueline Moriarty. Ooh. That is a beautiful cover. That's why I picked it up.
And Moriarty, I think of like Sherlock Holmes villain.
Right? Oh, and I have no idea what it's about. But there's a dragon up there, so.
Dragons make everything better.
Esther is a middle child, in her own mind, a pale reflection of siblings who are bright, shining stars. Her mother doesn't show the slightest bit of interest, no matter what Esther does. Still, she's content to go back to school, do her best, hang out with her friends, and let others take care of things. I was expecting castles and dragons, but her best friends aren't at school when she gets there. Why didn't they tell her they wouldn't be coming back? Why were they silent all summer? But stuff like that happens, and it's bad luck that her new teacher makes Esther the butt of all kinds of jokes. Mrs. Pollock is rumored to be an ogre, and maybe she is one. Could be.
All right.
Then things go from unfortunate to outright dangerous. The mountains surrounding the school, usually
Sparkling with glaciers and lakes, alive with fairies, and sheltering a quaint town with little great bakeries, are now crowded with shadow mages, casting a noticeable pall, and clearly to Esther, signifying something very dark and threatening, as the people she might have depended on to help her are either strangely absent or in hiding. It's left to ordinary middle child Esther, just Esther, to act. But she'll have to burst out of the box of mediocrity she's been put in and do something absolutely extraordinary. Okay, all right, that shows some promise. At first I was like, nah, and it was like, fairies.
And our last one is Camp Average away games. Camp Average crew is split in two.
Oh, is this a continuation?
It might be a continuation. So, sports, ball hockey, friends, drama.
No dragons.
Yeah, it's a series. There's Camp Average double foul, and then Camp Average away games. So, trilogy.
If you're waiting for it, it's in.
So many things from transitional readers, juvenile fiction and nonfiction that we will have a full reading list, and so will you. So we will see you guys in August, and we will probably have a backlog of all awesome books to look at.
Yes.
But that doesn't mean you have to wait for us. Go to your local library branch, browse the shelves, look for new stickers, and all of this can count towards your summer reading minutes.
Yes.
We'll see you guys in August. Bye.